Hi everyone. Some of you have asked questions about the StoreFront project, what an application is, and kind of what I'm looking for you to design for your storefront. And basically, you can think of any kind of online shopping program to determine what you need. I'm going to show you a simple program here, and you can kind of use this as a guide. You shouldn't copy it exactly, and this is involving a pizza storefront, pizza shop. So, I'm sure it's not the same as your project, so you're going to have to do some redesigning. But basically, this allows you to enter in, it'll show the customer the different options, so that's something you need to do. And then in the end, it will print out to the console the total order. So in this case, I'm going to put in an order and show you how it works. So I'm going to order a number 2, which is going to be a medium pizza. And then I have to select the type of crust. So I'm going to do number 1 for thin crust. And next I am going to select my toppings. Now, since you can select more than one topping, you have the option to enter a -1 to stop. So you can see as we're going through this that you're going to have some looping involved, and you're going to have to, check for correct input. So here I'm going to enter, let's have pepperoni, and we'll put sausage, which is number 2. Okay, and now I'm finished. So I'm going to put in a -1, click OK, and then you're also going to be prompted if you want to enter more pizzas. So this would also be a loop. So you may have loops inside of loops to get everything processed correctly. So here I'm going to say no, which is a number 2, and my program's going to be finished. And now I'm going to show you what the output looks like from the Java program. As you can see, this is the output for the console, and here is my order. So I've entered a medium pizza, thin crust with pepperoni and sausage, and it's totaled my order and given me the final price. So this is pretty much what you need to think about as you're working through, designing your application. So you're going to be using the classes you created to make objects for your store. And then you're going to be allowing a customer user to interact with your classes to be able to place orders and, give them an invoice when they're finished to see, how much they owe. So that's pretty much it. I hope this was helpful. It'll give you something to get started. And if you have questions, we can work through those in class.